Hello everyone, it's Asad, and today's update marks a new era of time tracking in Agile. We have totally revamped our old time tracking experience and have replaced it with our new time tracker and timesheet. With this new time tracking experience, you can easily track time against projects or tasks, duplicate your time logs, even resume your previous time logs, uh, and filter your time log against projects, your teammates, as well as time duration. This new time tracking experience was available for more than half of our users for a few weeks, and today we are making it live for everyone. To make it even better, we have also released our Chrome extension that you can use to track time anywhere from the web with just one click. So let's dive into this and see how this works. So to start timer, we can use this start timer button, or we can go to timesheet and then time tracker. We have now a dedicated page for time tracker. We can write a memo here, we can select a project, and we can start the timer. Then we can either click on this stop button and it will take us to the same page, and we can use this stop button to stop the timer. You can also edit the time directly from here. And you can resume the previous time. You can resume this time log if you want. You can make it billable or not non-billable. You can also duplicate this time tracker or even delete it. And on this time tracker page, all of your previous time logs are listed, and we group them by days. So you can see all the time logs you have created or you have worked on previously on this time tracker page. And we have then you can choose if you want you or your team track time against a project or time or task by going to settings and then time sheet setting, and here you can choose if you want your team to track time against a project or task. So I have chosen it to be the project. You can also enable or disable approvals for the time logs here. So we can go to then timesheet page to see how this works. On this timesheet page, we have all the time logs by you or your team listed here, and they are grouped by days here. You can edit any of the time logs in any of the day here. So all the time logs on this particular date are listed here. You can edit them, you can make them billable or not billable, you can delete them, you can even add new one. And you can also filter the time logs by teammate as well as by time duration. It can be a custom range this week or last week. You can also, if you like the previous timesheet experience, you can use this old timesheet button to go to old timesheet or old time tracking. But we strongly recommend you to use this new time tracking because this will depreciate soon and we will remove it from the system. There was a question that's asked to our team most of the time, is if it's possible to create a timesheet invoice. So yes, it's possible to create a timesheet invoice in Agile. You can use this create timesheet invoice button to create a timesheet invoice. So on this invoice, all the time logs in this particular duration are listed, and you can invoice your client for all these time logs. Please note that this price is picked from the project settings. This time log is against. So if we go to this time log is for project content marketing. So we can go to this project. In the members team, I have set hourly rate of Asad myself to $100 per hour. So that rate is being picked up here in the invoice. So you can set the rate of your teammates here, and then when you're creating invoices, this rate will be automatically picked, and total will be calculated by multiplying the hours with the hourly rate. So this is how you can create a timesheet invoice in Agile. We have also some reports available here for timesheet, where you can track, where you can filter time logs by project or team or time duration. We are also adding a lots of more reports, advanced and interactive reports here, to where you can get a quick glance as well as a detailed overview of all the time logs listed by you or your teammate. And it will have also the calculations that right now you have to do manual. So all the hours and the earnings and the amounts will be available in those reports. So we are working on them, and we will be making them live very soon. So this was a quick demo of how our new time tracking works. We at Agile work every day very hard to make sure Agile becomes a go-to software for all of you, and we are working really hard for it. So let me know your feedback in the comments. We will be adding updates, features, modifications, etc. based on your feedback. So it's really important for us. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.